Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Saloni and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this makeup look. This is oil-free, sweat-proof and perfect for the summer. This look is very easy to create. Anybody of you can do it. I personally don't like very matte finish products and very matte makeup जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा powdery लगता है and बहुत ज़्यादा cakey हो जाता है. So I like to keep my makeup a little bit dewy and a glowy finish. So that's why I have created this look, and I have shown you guys that even in summers how you can create this dewy and glowy makeup look. Also, if you guys are coming first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also hit that notification bell so that whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified about it. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, starting off with a clean face, you can use any face wash whatever suits on your skin. उसके बाद में the most important thing is moisturization. So here I am using this Pond's light moisturizer. This is very good for summers and this is very light, so you will not feel very oily and greasy on your face after applying this, and it will properly moisturizes your face. Properly apply the moisturizer on your face. You can just massage it with your fingers gently all over your face ताकि अच्छे से absorb हो जाए स्किन के अंदर. फाउंडेशन लगाने के पहले आपकी स्किन जो है बिल्कुल भी ड्राई ना रहे ताकि जो फाउंडेशन का बेस है वो एकदम फ्लॉलेस एंड स्मूथ लगे. Then moving on to the primer, here I am using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This is a really good primer, and primer is really important before doing your makeup because उससे आपके जो foundation है वो बिल्कुल भी केकी नहीं लगता है, and this application gets so smooth after applying it. So yeah, primer is also a must. Now moving on to the foundation. For foundation, here I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte. So make sure that whenever you're using any foundation in summers, use a matte foundation, and especially if you have oily skin. Matte foundation से आपका जो skin है उसके अंदर oil बहुत ज़्यादा produce नहीं होगा and आपका जो makeup है वो बहुत जल्दी oily नहीं होगा. मैंने इसको डॉटेड वे में पूरे फेस पे अप्लाई कर लिया है. देन आई एम यूजिंग दिस पैक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना ब्लेंड इट ऑल ओवर माय फेस. आई एम ऑल्सो यूजिंग इट अंडर माय आई एरिया ताकि जो कंसीलर है वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना पड़े टू हाइड योर डार्क सर्कल्स. एंड इसको जेंटली डैप करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू पुट टू मच प्रेशर, अदरवाइज जो आपका ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है वो पूरा फाउंडेशन सोक कर लेगा. If you guys want, you can also use a brush for blending your foundation, but I prefer beauty blender because I think इससे application बहुत ही smooth and even हो जाता है. Now moving on to the concealer, here I am using this LA Girl Pro concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers. I don't know मैं इसको उल्टा क्यों दिखा रही हूँ. I'm going to apply the concealer under my eye area on the eyelids, and जहाँ पे भी आपको पूरे फेस पे लग रहा है कि कुछ problematic areas हैं यहाँ पर या फिर जहाँ पे थोड़ी सी भी spots वगैरह है आपके highlighted areas पे, आप लोग वहाँ पर कंसीलर को यूज़ कर सकते हो. Then moving on to set our base. So here I am using this Maybelline's loose powder. So it is really important to use a loose powder in summers ताकि आपके फेस पे ऑयल प्रोड्यूस ना हो एंड आपका जो मेकअप है वो इधर उधर ना जाए एंड अच्छे से सेट रहे. देन मूविंग ऑन टू द आई एरिया, आई एम यूजिंग दिस आई पेंसिल फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी. दिस इज़ वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड वेरी गुड. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आईब्रोज़ पे कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. आई एम जस्ट गोना फिल द गैप्स, एंड इसके पीछे एक ब्रश दिया हुआ है, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना ब्रश माई आईब्रोज़ विद दिस, एंड दैट्स इट फॉर द आईब्रोज़. For eyeshadow, here I am using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This was also very affordable and this has some beautiful colors in it. So मैं यहाँ पे एक light brown color का shade ले रही हूँ ताकि मैं उसको अपने base पे लगा सकूँ अपने eyes के, and I am using it all over my lids. Then taking a darker color, I am using that dark color on the outside corners of my eyes to give it a depth effect. Now in this look, I'm not going to use any eyeliner. I'm just going to use a darker color in the eyeshadow palette, and I've taken this angled brush and I'm going to create a wing with the eyeshadow color only. I've actually seen this look on Pinterest and I got really inspired by it, and मैं बहुत टाइम से ये वाला look create करना चाहती थी. So this will give you a very beautiful smoky winged eyeliner look. So try this. If you have a darker color eyeshadow, just try to apply eyeliner from it. It will look very pretty. and the same shade I am going to use on the lower lash lines to give it a very smoky effect. Okay, now the most important thing for your eye makeup is mascara. Mascara just changes your whole eye look. I really love this one. This is from Maybelline and was also very affordable. I'm going to use 1 or 2 coats of the mascara, so it will give you a very dramatic look. I'm also going to use a mascara on my lower lashes also, because you have to keep this eye look very smoky and very slutty. Now I'm going to use the blush. Here I'm using this Lakme 925 blush and मैंने इसको brush की help से ले लिया है. Now you want a very snatched look and थोड़ा सा lifted look अगर आप लोगों को चाहिए, then use the blush only on your upper cheeks. Now moving on to my favorite part, moving on to the highlighter. I'm using this Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter here. It will make your look very dewy and very glowy, so even in summers you will look very glowy and dewy finish. Your face will not look very cakey or matte because you have used a matte foundation. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने loose powder भी use कर लिया है, so उससे बहुत ज़्यादा matte हो जाता है पूरा base. So highlighter is a must. Now moving on to the lips, here I'm using this My Glam's lipstick and I really love this shade. Even in summers this kind of shades looks super cute and super pretty. But I'm not using a lot of lipstick here. You just have to apply a little bit of lipstick and then I'm just going to smudge it with my fingers. Now this step is totally optional. I am kind of a gloss lover, so I'm just going to put a little bit of gloss onto the lips. And yeah, that's the final look. Let's change the outfit quickly by doing a transition. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this makeup look and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Also please subscribe to my channel, and I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.